Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and for a quick little overview of what's something I've been working on lately with the ladies from Cool Katz Crafts. So with Kay and Maggie's help, we have come up with a fabulous little album for you again, perfect for beginners, but also offers enough space for more advanced crafters and album makers to add their own little spin to it. In the past, we've brought a few of our Arthurian range kits. We've had Merlin, Arthur and Guinevere. And this then is along the same lines as Guinevere with this aperture front. So this is going to be called Morgana. So I've made a few Morgana projects and I'll show you some more detailed walkthroughs of them. But the great thing with Morgana is it's been designed to be made with 8x8 papers. So the graphic 45 ones, they're easily made using one pad of 8x8 G45. And you can see I've got my Enchanted Forest and my well-groomed one here. But then this was a little tester I did with Stamperia. And I managed to make this using just one of the 8x8 main pads and one of the main, the background papers as well from the 8x8. So just two pads of the 8x8s for the Stamperia. So this was made using Songs of the Sea. And you can see, as usual with me, it's been made to maximize your spaces for your regular sized photos. So that was for 5x7. We've got some 6x4 photo spaces. We've got some corset closures. A lot of the things you expect to see from one of my albums. Got some little photo wallets. But again, maximizing your use of papers. And as I said, plenty of room. Oh, need to re-glue that one. Need to plenty of space to add your Cool Katz clips and folios, and lots of your dies can be used in this. Oh, some brad closures in this album. I think I went extreme with the folio circles here. Oh, let's just unwind it. That is probably one of the biggest corset closures I've made. As I said, plenty of space for your regular size. So the Enchanted Forest one, again, the same page designs. Again, fitting our 6x4s, making our brad closures. And so this was made using just one 8x8 pad. So there will be other walkthroughs for you to see each bit, but this is just the overview for you to see what's coming up. Lots of glossy accents. I'm sure Maggie will approve there. So this is the well-groomed one. Again, I only had one 8x8 pad, but managed to get it all from it. And I will have a little video as well on how to make these 3x4 photo wallets, but you can make them for 6x4 as well. And again, we've got the corset closures, the little folio circle dies, some belly bands, some fun triangular pockets. And so those were my practice ones, but there will be a make a splash version as well, and a tutorial for this one where I will be taking you through it step by step. So if you want to follow me and use the same paper, this is the one I'll be using in my tutorial. And again, it's just one make a splash 8x8 pad from Graphic 45. And I like this because it felt like we're looking under the sea through a little portal thing, which is probably why I went for this one as well, just looking through. So this is the one we'll be making together in the tutorial. Lots of little tuck spots, and each of them is a pocket page, so you can slide in more. Use the oval brad flaps there. And again, one of those 3x4 pocket. Some Cool Katz clips and some more of the brad flaps, but used as a magnetic closure. A nice little catch-up page with the photo slots, a belly band, but room for your 6x4 here, and more of your photo slots there for 3x4 photos. I had to have a corset closure. In fact, there's only one in this one. And some more clips and ephemera pieces can be tucked in at the end. Plenty of spaces for you to add some more, whatever you're wanting. So that is just a little sneak peek, a little taster of what's to come. So keep an eye out on my channel. Keep an eye out in Paper Crafting with Paul, which is my Facebook group. And keep an eye out on the Cool Katz Crafts group as well. So all links below to the Facebook groups. Oh, and the memories die fits perfectly on the side. Had to mention that as well. Another great Cool Katz die. Yeah, and have a look. I'm sure there'll be some TV shows and things coming up as well. So there we are, a sneak peek. So make sure you join me for more Morgana.